Welcome to Hasta Creations. In this video I'm going to show you how to make simple earrings using safety pins. For this we need Czech crystal beads. They are like 4 mm in diameter. These are small safety pins. Each is 2 cm in length. These are earring hooks. And these are jewelry rings too, and pliers. So let us start. So I'll take one of these safety pins and then put 3 beads. 1, then close it. So like that I'm going to do all the 4. So now we take this earring hook and one of these rings. So let me open this with the plier. Let us put this hook onto this and 2 of these safety pins. And let me close this. And press it. So you can see one earring ready. Similarly, we have to do the other one. Let us open this. Put the hook first, then these 2 safety pins, then close it. Make sure it is fully closed. Then earrings are ready. This is how they look. Very pretty. Thanks for watching.